Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela uba Prestone tensong hene kesngiula kentu yaki seng bhalang bakim day ban Wanrah ya ka ILP halor kane kamat yakhi ban omsha yang MDC da ki bamday ki garo uba tensong uloong ba kane kamat menta kaba kilaya kren kade halor ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council habakali halor ka jingdawa ki seng bhalang ban pentre kam ya ka ILP uba Prestone uloong ba ki seng bhalang ki la bandawa Henry Kim Day ban khle lang ya kani kamat bat ka ILP. Kidawa ba ki bam day Riewlum, Kim Day ban Ïakhun Ilekshon Shah GHADC, kata ka day ka jingdawa ka jongki. Balay ban Wanrah ya kamat ILP, kini ki bam day Riewlum, ki day ki nong snong bapura jong ka jilla, bat jong kari India. Wat pen yaso ya kani ka Jingïakhih bat ka ILP.
About the election to the Garo Hills District Council.
But the NGO says that.
Well, the NGOs can't say. But let me also say, you need to understand one thing. That's what I'm telling, don't mix up with ILP. Because this one is what? The NGO says no non-tribal be allowed to participate in the election. They cannot file they cannot file nomination. I think that is the aspiration of these people. So why should you link it with the ILP? And these people also, they are genuine citizens of Meghalaya, of India. So therefore, don't link it. Please delink it completely with this incident that has happened in Garo Hills.
Sir, do you see that public sentiment is against government in Garo Hills?
That I can't say that they are offense non-tribal to file nomination. I think that is the agenda. Not that they don't want NPP, or not that they don't want Congress, or they don't want other political parties. But now the issue is what they said from all the NGOs. They said non-tribal should not participate in the election process as candidate.
Ya don kanu ka kamru ka bangin hap ya keren ya penbek ki kamru ku mengalong ya piminem don kamra songkai ni songin ya keren hi hang ni barako kata kalong ka tarkom im jong diri undai langit ndagi briu kli ya be kata ka kum ka juk ka bamta kan kanduk kani ka jong man barim bon ki ai baro ki bale uman barim ki ladu